Today, we will be presenting about our new project, that is, the Emergency Phone Charging Station, or EPCS, created by ACE5 teams from SMK Muadzam Shah. First of all, meet our team members. Muhammad Khalif Umar, Zafi Arham, Muhammad Alamin, and Firas Firdaus.
Now we are going to explain how this product works. We start by burning waste material inside a metal can, which acts as a small stove. There a hole on the side of the can to let air so the fire get enough oxygen. It also used to insert waste and lit up the fire.
On top of the can, we place a thermoelectric generator, or TEG. This device creates electricity when one side is hot and the other side is cool. The bottom of the TEG touches the hot stove, while the top is cooled by a heat sink. This temperature difference generates electricity.
We connect the TEG to a boost converter using red and black two curved wire. The TEG produces a small voltage, so the boost converter increases it to 5 volts, enough to charge a phone.
Then, the output from the boost converter goes into a USB output module, which has a USB port where we can plug in a phone charging cable. Finally, we plug in a USB cable and connect it to a phone. And just like that, we are charging a phone using only heat from burning waste.